Hi, I'm Drew. I would like to introduce my project with Arduino and processing. My project creates a symmetrical figure that players can change by turning a knob. The more the knob is turned, the more sector faces appear in this figure, making it look like more circular. To give the figure of a unique look, I added filter to make the colors stand out, giving it a stained glass vibe, like what you see the light in the church. The ideas was inspired by the kaleidoscope and the church stained glass, so it's really similar to the kaleidoscopes. Yeah, and the church is lined through the stained glass. You can see, yeah, it's really beautiful. So, what I did about programming, I add the code to generate a symmetrical fin-like patterns. As the number of sectors increase, the pattern becomes more circular. The node countries the numbers of sectors, and the map function translates the node rotation into the angle of each sector. So you can see this statement achieve the function that I said before. I also set the minimum number of sectors to 4 and the maximum to 40, and we can know this from this condition statement. And to draw the pattern, I used the begin shape triangle fan, starting from the center point, half width, half height. The outer vertices are calculated using the trigonometry. You can see these two variables. Yes. And a for loop generates the or sector, the whole vector. So, next I need to add texture to the pattern, which was a trick part for me, I think. I research how to create a kaleidoscope effect and found two main approaches using mask and image manipulation. This involves cropping, rotating, flipping, and repeating match blocks to create the kaleidoscope's pattern. And the second one that I use is texture mapping. This uses the input image as a texture, calculating pixel coordinates to achieve symmetry and rotation. So you can see that is a calculation result about the mapping the texture coordinate. So you can see I already drew the texture before, so I just align the fence shelled vertex to the center of the image with the center of the texture. You can see, and um, after that, for the outer vertices, I calculated the texture coordinate using trigonometry, which kept the pattern symmetrical and continuous. To make the dynamic, I also added effect to rotate the image texture, creating a life-changing colliders effect. The inspiration came during a trip to Barcelona for me, where I visited the Sagrada Familia, when sunlight streams from the stained glass windows increase the incredible play of the colorful light and the shadows that reminded me of a kaleidoscope. I wanted to recreate the feeling while making it interactive, like playing with actual kaleidoscope. To enhance the effect, I use the posterize the filter to reduce the image colors to 3, making the colors, you can see the orange, the picture is that like this. So I use a filter to reduce the image colors to 3 and make the color bold and vibrant. Plus, click the mouse, rendering change the image of even more variety. Yeah, and click again. Yeah. So there are 6 pictures there. This project taught me a lot about texture mapping, especially how important texture coordinates are for achieving complex visual effects. If I had more time, I will add features like letting users drag the mouse to change the angle of rotation, speed, or switch match with the keyboard. It's also be cool to experiment with other shapes like squirrel, sparrow, or combine the kaleidoscopes effect like gradients or blends for even more creative possibility. I love taking inspiration from real life experience and turning them into something I can create myself. It's really fulfilling. Plus, this project combines math, programming, and art, which made it more rewarding. It's that blend of discipline that keeps me excited about making creative project. That's all about my project. Thanks for watching.